And in 2025, which is a challenging year to you, since you have a Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. If you are born in the following year, your zodiac is a tiger, which is a 1938, 1950, 1962, 1974, 1986, 1998, and 2010. If you are born in those years, your zodiac is a tiger. And in 2025, which is a challenging year to you, since you have a 5 in a specious star, which is affecting you. Okay, the first one is a Gib star. The second is a Gyun sit. The third one is a Gao star. The number 4 is a Lok Hoi. The last one is a Ying Tai Shui. So 5 this in a specious star was affecting you, so that will create lots of challenge to you. Let's say if you are work for somebody, this year you better be low profile, don't quit your job, and then try all your best to keep a good relationship between you and your supervisor and your colleague. Maybe your colleague or your supervisor will give you some tough time, so you need to be hands-on this year. Okay, if you want to start your business this year, definitely this is not a good idea to do that this year. Maybe you can wait until 2026, since 2026 is a pretty good year for you. But just for this year, you need to be low profile and then be more conservative. And if you have if you are already a boss, then in this year you need to be extremely careful. Try to avoid those unnecessary lawsuits, or be careful for your competitor to do some dirty things to hurt your interest. So you need to be safe, and which is not a good idea for you to expand your business or to have a new branches or to have a new investor to come in. So this year also need to be really conservative this year. And in terms of the health, this year there will be some health concern, especially for you if you have some like a hidden health issue. You need to be pay more attention. And then for some small injury, accident, you also need to pay attention. When you drive, you also need to drive really carefully. In terms of the love energy, this year is also not really good this year. So you need to be more conservative. Don't start a fight or argument with your spouse. And then for the family, this year is also there's some issue with you and your family member. But just hang on, because in 2025, you still have a 3 auspicious star helping you. One is the Tin Duck, and then the second is the Feng. The last one is the Bajo, will helping you. Those helping hands is something like when you're in a really in a situation you really need someone to help, someone will show up and give you a hand. So still is not too bad, but this year, 2025 is a challenging year to you. So if you want to boost your luck, have a more like a lucky energy, then you need to find some good people to help you. So that pig is someone you can help you out, especially in your personal life. So that dog and horse, they're good for you for your business. So you can find them to help, and stay away from monkey, snake, and tiger itself, because those zodiac is not really good to you. And try to use more your lucky timing, which is 11 a.m. to 1 p.m., 7 p.m. to 9 p.m., which is your lucky timing. So anything important, you can schedule in those timing to do that. That will have an unexpected good result. And stay away from those bad luck timing, which is 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., 3 p.m. to 5 p.m., then everything should be fine. Just be more conservative this year, then should be okay. Thanks for watching. Good luck. Bye. If you want to learn Feng Shui systematically, I have a class online. The name is Accredited Professional Practical Feng Shui Master Course. I put the link down below. You can go there, check it out. Or if you want to read some Feng Shui book, I have a book on Amazon.com. The name is the Practical Feng Shui 101. I also put a link down below. Thanks for watching. Thank you.